Hey everyone, welcome back to another Koala tutorial video. Today, I'll be showing you how to give your students gems in Koala. You may be asking, what at all do gems do? So gems allow students to buy stuff in the Koala Go playground. And trust me, there's some really cool stuff there. So, to give your student gems, just click on the reward button at the top left corner of your classroom screen. Once you click this, go down and click on where it says gem. And if I click on this, it should lead me to this tab. Now this tab shows how many students I have in my classroom, and it also shows my student's name. So I've saved my student's name as student, that's why it shows up like that. And it shows how many gems my student owns. So my student has only 0 gems. If I want to give my student gems, I can just click here to give him 1 gem, or I can use the pen icon to choose how many gems I want to give them. And I can use the arrow to increase the number, or I can simply type in the number of gems that I want to give to my students. So 10, and then click on the check mark, like that, and then click give 10. There we go. Now there's a cool animation which shows at the background. So I want you guys to see how it looks like. So let me show you. There we go. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So now my student gets 20 gems. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out to us via the 24/7 help chat. We'd be more than happy to assist you. Happy teaching and happy gem spending! Bye everyone!